What is the heat pump dryer? Heat pump dryer is an energy-saving and environment-friendly drying equipment supported and popularized by Chinese government. With energy-saving feature and high-efficiency drying effect, heat pump dryer has become the most popular drying system in China, Southeast Asia, India, South America, and Africa. Working principle of heat pump dryer. Heat pump dryer works based on reversed Carnot cycle. Refrigerant absorbs heat from ambient environment and then be processed by the compressor to high temperature and high pressure gas. The high temperature and high humidity resistant internal circulating fan transfers heat from the condenser to the drying room. Forming a circulating hot air in the drying room to evaporate the moisture in raw material, and the water vapor is discharged by the moisture exhaust system. Benefits of heat pump dryer. High efficiency. Heat pump dryer features multi-stage heat recovery units, which discharges moisture and reuse heat, reducing heat loss caused by exhausting moisture, so its energy efficiency is higher than most traditional drying equipment.